Uh-oh, I'm out of yogurt. What do you do? It's summertime. It's easy to make. I'll show you how to make summertime yogurt. Let's go.
What do you need? Need a jar. Clean that. Need milk. On sale. Need a little bowl to put things in. Compost. No, you don't need that. Fresh veggies? Have those later. Let's make a salad. First, need a little bit of starter. All right, let's scrape that out.
If you don't have a starter, go to the store. You can use Greek yogurt or Caspian yogurt, or if you want me to try to use any yogurt, comment below and I'll try any yogurt. That's how I got this started. I just went and bought some Caspian Sea yogurt. Here in Japan, in America, I'm sure you got Greek yogurt. Use that. Just one scoop, spoonful. That's it. You're good.
That's clean. If it's your first time using the jar, might want to give it a steam.
Unless you live in a lab with an autoclave. Jar hot, milk cold. Cool down it must. Break it might.
Next, got to put the starter back in the jar. Kind of like a sourdough type thing. Now, put in the milk. Oh.
Need to save some more for your coffee.
Tighten it down. Give her a shake. Next, put it in a hot place out of the sun. If the milk is still cold, it's going to sweat. Put a towel under it.
Now, you just got to wait. So leave it out in the daytime for about 6 to 8 hours because it's hot here, at least 30 to 90 degrees. And then at nighttime, a little bit longer because it cools down, maybe 12 hours.
8 hours later, let's see how it is. Ah, gee. Open the top. Look at that. Oh, perfect. We've got yogurt. Whoa, yummy. Put that in the fridge. You're good. Free yogurt. Life is good. Have a good one. See you. Bye-bye. Mmm.